In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate fantastic logos using CapCut AI. Okay, so to start, you have to click on the link in the description of this video to have access to this. Of course, you have to log in with your account. So this is the prompting area. You just put in the prompt, describe the kind of logo that you want to create, and it is going to create it for you. Take a look at the ones I've created. I've described this. This is the first option I have. Clean professional logo, open book, transforming into light blue and gold colors. Okay, minimal and trustworthy. So take a look at what it has given me in the first instance. So this is what it has given me in the first instance, and I follow up and said, I don't like this, can you change it? And then it quickly generates something much better. Take a look at what it has generated. And I think I kind of like this one. Very professional. The open book, it maintains the coloration gradient, yellow or golden color. And then I asked further, okay, add some text to it, and the text I specified is epic mentorship. And take a look at what it has given me. This is really wonderful. It has done it. It looks very, very professional. You can go ahead and download this if you're interested with just one click. This is going to give you a logo. Download it, or you can share on socials like Facebook and Instagram. So this is the first option. I went on to further ask further questions like create a clean professional logo, open book, to transform into light blue and gold colors, minimal and trustworthy. So take a look, and then it has given me something like this, and I kind of like this, even though I say, can you change it to look like a music logo for a music concert? And then it just changed and gave me something much better. So I think this is a bit okay, even though it's too noisy. But then the good side of it is that you can go ahead and give in more prompts as regards what it can do for you, what you need to change, what you need to add. You can do all that for you directly. And then lastly, I tried this elegant luxury logo, minimalist typography, gold accent, soft gradient background, high-end fashion style. Now I make this, and it's just giving me something like this. I think this is very nice. I haven't. You can customize it also if you want, maybe change the text, change the design. And additionally, you have access to this. You can upload a photo and you can change things accordingly. You can add text of different types. You can just click and you have a bunch of different kind of text that you can bring in into your designs, be it from the plain or recommended templates that you can work on. These are different kind of text that you can customize according to your content. So all you need is just to give it a click, and then you can go ahead and customize accordingly. All right, so you can select and move it around, position it anywhere, and you have access to all of these basic text editing features like the font style, the font size. You can bold things, italize, and change the uppercase to lowercase and so on, and all of these alignment, and even arrange. You can click to have more other options like the background, shadow, stroke. You can do all that. Then you have access to stickers. You can bring in different kind of stickers and add to your creations depending on what you are creating or what kind of logo you are working on. So it's very, very professional to have all of these added to your content. If you have any specific one that you are targeting, of course you can just go ahead and click and just add it to that particular logo that you're designing. Of course, you can resize things and put them accordingly to any point or position that you want. And then down here you have shapes of different types. You can bring in different shapes depending on the design that you have. You can customize things using these shapes. You can see them, a lot of them. You can just add and customize your content. And then you have templates. Okay, you have different kind of templates that you can work on. These are simple templates, maybe from Bulgar, from other designs that you can gain inspirations from and then try to develop your own. Very easy. And then you have more. You can change designs, you can add frames, and then brand kits if you have any interest in that. So the best part is that you can download your logo very, very easily and free of charge. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.